Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today this video is about Microsoft's Windows 11 Insider Preview build 23435, which is released to the dev channel. Starting with this build, and talking about what's new in this build. Now we have Gallery in File Explorer. Introducing Gallery, a new feature in File Explorer designed to make it easy to access your photo collection. The set of content shown in Gallery is the same as what you'll see in the All Photos view in the Photos app. The Gallery is optimized for accessing your most recently taken photos. If you have OneDrive camera roll backup set up on your phone, photos you take will show up automatically at the top of the view. You can choose which folders are shown in Gallery through the Collection dropdown. You can also add subfolders of existing sources to filter to a subset of your content, such as desktop backgrounds and SD card or camera imports. Gallery also works from the file picking dialog, bringing that same ease of use to situations such as inserting attachments, building a PowerPoint deck, or crafting social media posts. So, this was the only new thing introduced to this build. Moving forward, and talking about the changes and improvements made in this build. In general, Microsoft is continuing the exploration of badging on the Start menu, with several new treatments for users logging in with local user accounts to highlight the benefits of signing in with a Microsoft account. MSA, for File Explorer, Windows insiders will begin noticing a pizza icon on the command bar in File Explorer. This icon denotes that an insider is previewing the Windows App SDK version of File Explorer. Functionality in File Explorer remains unchanged, it just switches from using WinUI 2 to using WinUI 3. For narrator users who interact with traditional Chinese characters, are now able to do this with confidence while using narrator in the IME candidate window in Windows. This was accomplished by creating a traditional Chinese dictionary for detail reading. The narrator now consumes the dictionary to disambiguate each traditional Chinese word. Users should be aware that narrator's detailed reading is only supported for the Taiwan language pack. The Hong Kong language pack is not supported by narrator. For settings, Microsoft is introducing new presence sensor privacy settings and APIs. If you have a device with compatible presence sensors, you can now manage your privacy and block or allow certain apps from accessing these sensors. No images or metadata is collected by Microsoft and all processing is done locally on the device hardware to maximize privacy. You will find these settings under Settings, Privacy and Security, Presence Sensing here if your device supports it. App developers with devices with compatible presence sensors can target apps to request and read user presence information after requesting a human presence capability. So, these were all the changes and improvements made in this build. Now talking about the fixes, for taskbar and system tray, fixed a few Explorer.exe crashes that were impacting taskbar reliability. For input, updated the text input or enable touch keyboard auto invoke in desktop mode MDN policy to allow 2 as a valid value to enforce showing the touch keyboard on tapping and added control even when the hardware keyboard is attached. For settings, fixed an issue that was causing settings crashes when navigating to various Windows Update related pages in the last couple of flights. For live captions, fixed the issue that caused enhanced speech recognition support installed through the language and region settings page, to require restarting live captions if you switch languages in the live captions caption language menu on ARM64 devices. Fixed the issue where you may not see install completion of enhanced speech recognition, required by live captions, when adding a language through the language and region settings page, and language feature installation progress may become hidden. 4. Task Manager, improve the performance of the Expand All and Collapse All view options on the Processes page. Lastly, for accessibility, updated the narrator's default for context level for buttons and controls to 3, immediate content name and type. So, that was all from Microsoft for this build. If you want to know more, follow the link to the official Microsoft blog, from the description. Hope it was useful. Consider like for the video, subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. Thanks for watching, and have a great day ahead.